Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using Google Maps. So basically, guys, the idea is that we're going to search for small businesses in the United States. Then we're going to see their profile in Google Maps and we're going to see if they have any bad reviews or if they don't have a website, and then we will offer them our services, which are removing bad reviews and creating websites for them. And we will get paid from $200 to $500 for each service or from each business. And guys, you will not need any skill to do that whatsoever. You will just need to find the businesses and close them and get paid by them. Then you will go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing platform that you like to use, and then you will search for the freelancers that are offering those services. So for example, we will search for the freelancers that are removing the bad reviews from Google Maps, like this one: Google Maps business ranking, Maps citation, SEO backlinks, profile backlinks, Maps embed. So here, let's click on this freelancer, and here we will pay him $25, and in return you will get paid $200 from the business, and you will just remove $25 from it, and you will be left with $175. That's a good margin for doing nothing at all, just looking for the businesses and pitching them and convincing them to purchase your service, of course. And I'm going to show you how you can convince those businesses to purchase your service. So first of all, let's choose a state that we're going to work on. For example, let's choose Washington, and let's look for a city. Let's see what we can find. Let's go for Stratford, or let's go for Atwood. Let's go for Atwood City, and here let's type, for example, hairdresser or hair salon, and let's see if we can find the hair salons in this place. So here we have Capelli's salon. They have only 22 reviews and they don't have a website. So let's check this one. This is their website. Let's see if it needs any renovations. From the get-go, you'll notice that it's made in Wix platform. It's a platform that you can create your website in without any programming or any development, and it looks very unprofessional, as you can see, which means they will need to, as you can see, it's probably created with Wix, as I said. So it looks like it needs a lot of renovations. So you can suggest that to the business owners, and let's see their reviews. They have a lot of 5 reviews and some 1 and 4 3-star reviews. This is the 1-star review. They have deleted this review on Facebook. Thankfully, there are places like this to leave honest reviews that will not be compromised. I've been harassed by the daughter of an employee. of an employee for writing honest Facebook review. An employee has also done the same. As a consumer, I should be able to leave an honest review without worrying about retaliation from employees and their family members and professional. Yet again, let me start by saying that I hear great things about this salon and that I believe my experience was isolated to the stylist I used. I had spent many hours and trips, blah 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 blah. So this is a very bad review to have on your Google Maps profile. As you can see, it has 6 likes, and a lot of people will read this and will change their minds, and they will not attend your salon. So this is what we're going to use to convince the business owner to purchase our service, and it will be like this. You can call them in their number, or you can just go to their website and click on their Instagram page. Then you will send them a message on their Instagram saying that, taking a screenshot of the bad review that we saw, and then saying that I can help you with this bad review, I can remove this bad review, and make sure to let them know the problems that this bad review creates for them, from not being able to have as many clients as you can have, and also ruining their reputation throughout the years. As you can see, it's 7 years old. It's 7 years old. So that's all the things that you can pitch to those business owners. And also don't forget to pitch them to renovate the website for them as well. So that's basically the idea, guys. And when you find all of the services that you can offer them, you can just send them a message in here. But first, leave some likes to their posts, watch their story, and also send them a genuine compliment, something like, I really like your posts and your Instagram page, or something like that, just to open the chat. Then you can send them your pitch with the screenshot of the bad review as well. So I think, guys, you get the idea. That's how you're going to make from $200 to $2,000 per month using this method that I have just shown you. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.